Well, you actually can now. I think as of this week, as a business, you can engage OpenAI for business use for $10 million because they're now offering consulting at minimum $10 million contracts for
That's
businesses,
that's crazy.
which I think we should be talking about a lot because
Yeah.
that tells you right there. That is the underline under the statements you just made about the limitations of OpenAI. And I'll be using it in promote conversations for sure. Like, okay, you're using ChatGPT for business. Have you paid OpenAI $10 million? Because that's the minimum price tag they're putting on business adoption integration of their product.
Wow.
Isn't that wild? You didn't see that
I'm,
one
s-
come across your
I'm,
feed this week?
I'm seeing this for the first time. Let me pull it up real quick. This is,
Like that should be all. If you're a small business and you're bootstrapping and you're scrappy, I understand. Use ChatGPT, do your thing, get the value you can out of it. But if you're a sophisticated growth business and you're a $20 million company or $50 million company, the this is the superpower that you really need to adopt, you know, what
yeah,
AI can do for you. Uh, inside marketing, outside marketing, it's like probably every department.
the power is not in the LLM. It's a commodity. Yes, I've been
Yeah,
saying this. It's a utility. The underlying
right.
models are a utility. That's
Yeah.
all it is. Now, the LLMs are incredibly powerful, just remarkably powerful, but there is a massive gap in between that LLM's power and how people are using it. So that integration
Mhm.
layer, the stack in between the end user and the LLM is monumentally important. It's almost impossible to overstate that piece.
Right. And it's like, why did they announce this? That they're now offering $10 million consulting contracts for business use? I think they did not announce this so that they could get more $10 million consulting contracts.
Hmm.
They announced that probably as a public message for what we just talked about. Hey, if you're a business and you're frustrated with OpenAI or ChatGPT and you're not getting the value that you think you should, here's
Hmm.
take a clue. It's going to cost $10 million to tailor this suit to you.
Well, so you bring up a fundamental feature of AI deployment inside of businesses. Unlike any software or technology up until today, each business deployment is a one of one. Every deployment is a fully custom deployment. This is the expectation of AI. And like in our case, to me, what I see it like true enterprise adoption of AI is going to be you have a department. So, like, we are deploying AI for this department, or maybe you can start to lump multiple departments together. But then the input and output for that department, it would look entirely different from company to company. And
Absolutely.
that's the expectation. So there, you can either do that through consulting, as we're seeing here. Another way to do that is you build the middle layer architecture that creates that customization, that one of one. Like, this is the software of AI.